Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to add a website in Cloudflare. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Let's see what is Cloudflare and its advantages. Cloudflare is an American web infrastructure and website security company. It provides content delivery network services, DDoS protection, internet security, and distributed domain name services. Let's see its advantages. First one is Cloudflare is free for basic users and it is straightforward to set up. Second one is your IP address is hidden, so it's difficult for hackers to attack the server. Third one is it allows only genuine users to access the website so that the resources of your website are saved and the speed of your website is improved. Fourth one is Cloudflare protects your website from DDoS attacks. Fifth one is even if your website goes slow, Cloudflare will serve the cached files until your site comes back to normal. And last one is it provides free SSL certificate. Let's see how to add a website in Cloudflare. First of all, you have to log into your Cloudflare account. Here, we will use our demo Cloudflare account to show you how to add a website in the Cloudflare. In the email field, enter the email address which you had used while creating an account in Cloudflare. Here, we have used nick@AccuWebHosting.com as an example. In the password field, enter the password of the email account which you had set while creating an account in Cloudflare. Tick the box Remember Me if you don't want to enter login details manually and you want to save the details in the browser. It will preserve the login details entered by you. Click on the Login button to log in into your Cloudflare account. Congratulations! You are successfully logged in into your Cloudflare account. Here, you can see the website which you have added. To add a new website, click on the Add a Site button. Once you click on it, one window will be opened. In the field Enter your website. Enter the website you want to add in the Cloudflare. For example, if your website is www.example.com, type example.com. Here we have entered dmovipstest.com as an example. Click on the Add Site button to add it. In the Plan page, select a plan as per your requirement. You can check more details on plans by clicking on Learn More about our plans link. Here, we have selected Free Plan as a demo. After then click on the Confirm Plan button. Once you click on it, one window will be opened. In this window, you can review your website DNS records which are detected by Cloudflare. You also need to verify the DNS records mentioned below are configured correctly. If any DNS entry got missing, you can add that entry by the Add Record option. Please be informed that Cloudflare only proxies traffic for A, Quad A, and C name records. An orange cloud icon proxies traffic for the subdomain through Cloudflare. A gray cloud icon does not proxy traffic for the subdomain through Cloudflare. Records with no cloud icon use DNS resolution but cannot be proxied. You can also decide which subdomains enable Cloudflare security and performance features or bypass Cloudflare. Please note that these records take effect in Cloudflare after you update your nameservers. Click on the Continue button to go ahead. Next is to change your nameserver. To route web traffic through the Cloudflare network, you need to use Cloudflare's nameserver. Otherwise, Cloudflare is unable to manage your DNS and optimize your site. Updating your nameservers does not change where your website is hosted. To change the nameserver, you will have to log into your domain registrar control panel and remove the current nameservers. You will have to set the nameserver for your website suggested by Cloudflare. Please note that the DNS changes may take 12 to 24 hours to propagate around the world. Once the propagation is completed, Cloudflare confirms your site activation through email. Once you change the nameserver, click on the Done Check Nameservers button to check the nameserver and finish the process. If you get this page, it means that the nameserver of your domain name is not changed yet. Cloudflare periodically checks whether you have pointed your nameservers to Cloudflare. To perform an immediate nameserver check, click Recheck Now. Once you click on it, you will get a message on the screen that your website is now queued up to be rechecked. Please check back in a few hours. You'll also be notified by email once your site becomes active. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We've seen how to add a website in Cloudflare. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.